RG59 cable impedance should be 75 ohms. Bandwidth should be up to 33 MHz for CCTV applications. The conductor should be copper. Shielding should be quad shielding, which includes braided, foil, serve, and foil layers. The outer jacket can be polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, or plenum rated, and plenum is for indoor use. For a 12-volt power cable, the voltage is 12 volts direct current. Amperage is dependent on camera power consumption and cable length. The conductor should be copper. Insulation should be rated for outdoor and indoor use. The outer jacket, like the RG59 cable, should be PVC or plenum for indoor use. Outdoors, both the RG59 cable and power cable must be installed in conduit or buried underground. The conduit must be weatherproof and rated for outdoor use. Cable should be properly secured within the conduit. Indoors, in an office environment, the RG59 cable can be fastened to walls or ceilings using clips or cable ties. The power cable should be installed in conduit or cable trays for safety and protection. In drop ceilings, hangers can be used to support cables, but conduit is recommended for added protection. Several online resources offer information about low-voltage CCTV systems. Firstly, the Hikvision wiki can be found at. Secondly, the Dahu wiki is located at. Thirdly, the Access Communications knowledge base is available at. Fourthly, Pelco technical support can be accessed at. When installing RG59 cable outdoors, it's crucial to protect it from the elements and physical damage. Using a weatherproof conduit is a must. This conduit acts as a barrier against rain, snow, sunlight, and any potential impacts. Proper securing of the cables within the conduit prevents movement and strain, extending their lifespan. Burying the cable underground is another option, but it requires careful planning to avoid future digging or damage from roots. In indoor environments, while fastening RG59 cable to walls or ceilings with clips or cable ties is acceptable, it's important to maintain a neat and organized appearance. Avoid creating excessive bends or strain on the cable, as this can affect signal quality. For power cables, conduit or cable trays are highly recommended, even indoors. These provide a high level of protection against accidental damage, electrical hazards, and potential fire risks. In drop ceilings, hangers can offer support, but conduit provides the best overall protection. Conduit helps prevent the cables from sagging, getting tangled, or being damaged by ceiling maintenance activities. When selecting conduit, consider the material. PVC conduit is lightweight and corrosion resistant, making it suitable for many applications. Metallic conduit, such as galvanized steel, offers superior protection against physical damage and electromagnetic interference. The size of the conduit should be appropriate for the number and size of cables being installed. Overcrowding can lead to overheating and difficulty in maintenance. Always follow local electrical codes and regulations when installing low-voltage cables. These codes provide guidelines for cable types, installation methods, and safety requirements. Proper grounding is essential for electrical safety. Ensure that all metallic conduits and equipment are properly grounded to prevent electrical shocks. Regular inspections of the cable installation are recommended to identify any signs of damage or wear. Address any issues promptly to prevent further problems. Labeling cables can help with future troubleshooting and maintenance. Clearly identify the function of each cable and its destination. Use cable ties or straps to keep cables organized and prevent them from becoming tangled. Avoid running low voltage cables parallel to high voltage cables, as this can cause interference. Maintain a safe distance between the two types of cables. When terminating RG59 cable, use high quality connectors to ensure a reliable connection. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper termination techniques. Test the cable installation after completion to verify that it is working properly. Use a cable tester to check for continuity, shorts, and other issues. Document the cable installation, including the location of cables, conduit, and other components. This documentation will be helpful for future maintenance and troubleshooting. Consider using surge protectors to protect your CCTV equipment from power surges. Surge protectors can help prevent damage to cameras, DVRs, and other devices. Proper ventilation is important for CCTV equipment, especially DVR. Ensure that the equipment is located in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating. Regularly clean CCTV cameras to maintain image quality. Dust, dirt, and other debris can accumulate in the lens and affect the clarity of the video. Back up your CCTV footage regularly to prevent data loss. Store backups in a secure location, separate from the DVR. Train personnel on how to use and maintain the CCTV system. Proper training can help prevent operational errors and ensure that the system is used effectively. Keep the CCTV system secure from unauthorized access. Change default passwords and implement other security measures to prevent hacking. Update the firmware on your CCTV equipment regularly to address security vulnerabilities and improve performance. Consider using a professional installer for complex CCTV installations. A professional installer can ensure that the system is installed correctly and meets all applicable codes and regulations. Obtain the necessary permits and approvals before installing a CCTV system. Some jurisdictions require permits for certain types of installations. Be aware of privacy laws and regulations when installing CCTV cameras. Avoid recording areas where people have a reasonable expectation of privacy, such as bathrooms or changing rooms. Use signage to inform people that they are being recorded by CCTV cameras. This can help deter crime and promote transparency. Regularly review your CCTV footage to identify any suspicious activity. This can help you prevent crime and respond to incidents more effectively. Maintain a log of all CCTV activity, including dates, times, and locations. This log can be helpful for investigations and audits. Dispose of old CCTV equipment properly to prevent environmental damage. Electronic waste should be recycled or disposed of in accordance with local regulations. Consider using a cloud-based CCTV system. Cloud-based systems offer several advantages, including remote access, automatic backups, and enhanced security. Evaluate your CCTV system regularly to ensure that it is meeting your needs. Make adjustments as necessary to improve performance and effectiveness. Stay informed about the latest developments in CCTV technology. New technologies can offer improved image quality, enhanced features, and greater security. Consider using analytics to automatically detect suspicious activity. Analytics can help you identify potential threats and respond more quickly. Use a network video recorder, or NVR, instead of a DVR for IP-based CCTV systems. NVR offers several advantages, including higher resolution recording and greater scalability. Power over Ethernet, or PoE, can simplify the installation of IP-based CCTV cameras. PoE allows you to transmit both power and data over a single cable. Wireless CCTV cameras can be used in situations where it is difficult to run cables. However, wireless cameras are more susceptible to interference and security vulnerabilities. Consider using a mobile app to remotely view your CCTV footage. Mobile apps allow you to monitor your property from anywhere in the world. Use a video management system, or VMS, to manage multiple CCTV cameras. VMS software can help you organize and view your footage more efficiently. Consider using a fisheye lens to capture a wider field of view. Fisheye lenses can be useful for monitoring large areas. Use infrared or IR illuminators to improve visibility in low light conditions. IR illuminators emit invisible light that can be seen by CCTV cameras. Consider using a license plate recognition or LPR system to automatically identify vehicles. LPR systems can be useful for security and traffic management. Use facial recognition technology to identify individuals. Facial recognition technology can be used to improve security and access control. Consider using thermal cameras to detect heat signatures. Thermal cameras can be used to detect intruders, fires, and other anomalies. Use a drone to conduct aerial surveillance. Drones can provide a bird's eye view of your property. Consider using artificial intelligence or AI to automate CCTV tasks. AI can be used to detect suspicious activity, identify objects, and track people. Use encryption to protect your CCTV footage from unauthorized access. Encryption can help prevent hackers from viewing your video. Store your CCTV footage in a secure location, such as a locked room or a secure data center. This can help prevent theft or damage. Regularly test your CCTV system to ensure that it is working properly. Testing can help you identify and fix any problems before they become serious. Maintain a record of all CCTV maintenance and repairs. This record can be helpful for troubleshooting and warranty claims. Train your employees on the proper use and maintenance of your CCTV system. Proper training can help prevent accidents and ensure that the system is used effectively. Follow all applicable safety regulations when working with CCTV equipment. This can help prevent injuries and accidents. Use caution when working with electricity. Always disconnect the power before working on electrical components. Wear appropriate safety gear such as gloves and eye protection when working with CCTV equipment. This can help prevent injuries. Inspect your CCTV equipment regularly for damage. Replace any damaged components immediately. Keep your CCTV equipment clean and free of dust. This can help prevent overheating and malfunctions. Store your CCTV equipment in a cool, dry place. This can help prevent corrosion and damage. Dispose of old CCTV equipment properly. Electronic waste should be recycled or disposed of in accordance with local regulations. Consider using a professional CCTV maintenance service. A professional service can help you keep your system running smoothly and efficiently. Stay informed about the latest trends in CCTV technology. New technologies are constantly being developed, and it's important to stay up to date. Attend industry trade shows and conferences to learn about the latest products and services. Read industry publications and websites to stay informed about the latest news and trends. Network with other CCTV professionals to share ideas and best practices. Join a professional organization such as the Security Industry Association, RG. Take continuing education courses to stay up to date on the latest technologies and regulations. Get certified in CCTV installation and maintenance. Certification can demonstrate your knowledge and skills to potential employers and customers. Become a subject matter expert in CCTV technology. Share your knowledge and expertise with others. Write articles and blog posts about CCTV technology. Speak at industry events and conferences. Teach courses on CCTV installation and maintenance. Mentor aspiring CCTV professionals. Consider starting your own CCTV business. With hard work and dedication, you can build a successful career in the CCTV industry. Remember, the key to successful CCTV installation is to plan carefully, choose the right equipment, and follow all applicable codes and regulations. With proper planning and execution, you can create a CCTV system that will provide years of reliable service. And keep in mind that Hikvision, Dahua, Axis, and Pelco are just a few of the many manufacturers of CCTV equipment. Research different brands and models to find the ones that best meet your needs. Finally, remember that the information provided here is for general guidance only. Consult with a qualified professional for specific advice on your CCTV installation.